My name is Lotte Kamminga. I'm 20 years old and this is my third year on sportkunde.
Well, I'm Enrique, I'm 20 years old. I'm from Madrid, from Spain. I study sports management and yeah, I'm studying here the minor of sport for development.
So my name is Oscar, I'm 24 and I'm from Utrecht. I'm currently studying as a MNO and I am somewhere in my 6th year.
Well, I was on the process of choosing where I go in my Erasmus program. I just saw this opportunity of going into this minor.
I always liked the subject sport development. I want to achieve that everyone, no matter what, can feel the power of sports. So when I saw this minor, I applied it.
Well, for me, what I was expecting at first, it was like a more theoretical minor, but when I just discovered that it was like so practical, a lot of guest lectures that you could learn a lot about, a lot of views that was like from the experience of others.
Yeah, so far I experienced like a few highlights. I think one of the most important one was when we went to the Johan Cruyff Foundation in the Olympic Stadium. I think it was really valuable to see how they're doing it, what they actually achieve.
As a tip for a student who would come to this minor, I would say be yourself and come with no expectations.
Just do it because you won't regret it. Like you get so many new things to see, like you get new people to meet, you get new knowledge, you get everything new. So I think we just do it, like no hesitation to do it.